Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Harvest Host app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The Harvest Host is a membership-based app that connects hardware travelers with unique overnight parking spots at wineries, farms, breweries, golf courses, and other centric locations across North America. The app lets users browse host listing, check availability, filter for vehicle size, and contact host directly. It's designed for adventure speakers who want more memorable stays compared to traditional campground. It works on both iOS and Android with a straightforward interface. However, Harvest Host requires an annual subscription, and most locations don't offer hookup, meaning you will need to be self-contained. And the availability can also vary depending on the region, and travelers are generally expected to make a purchases from the host during their stays. And here's a very conclusion: the app is simply worth using if you're looking for unique off-grid overnight spot and enjoyed supporting local businesses, but not ideal if you need a full amenities or travel in areas with a limited host. And that's it.